Hi everyone. Today we have for you 7 tips for your 2021 budget which you will thank us for in 2022. Hey everyone, before we move ahead, please click on the subscribe button to stay updated on our weekly business and finance related content which is incredibly useful for business owners, CEOs, CFOs, entrepreneurs and those who aspire to be one. Now let's get back to the video. Updating your upcoming year's budget is of vital importance. It's quite underrated when it comes to your business having a very successful year. Before we get into the tips, let's first understand what's a budget. Budget is simply an estimation of your revenue and expenditure or your cash inflows and cash outflows over a period of time. During the year 2020, many businesses were greatly impacted due to the lack of budgeted cash inflows and unbudgeted cash outflows. As per a survey conducted by Clutch, 61% of small business owners did not even create a budget. And amongst those who did, most of them not only stuck to their budget, but also made sure they avoided for overspending. Now let's get into the 7 tips. The first is to make sure that your budget is flexible. As soon as new information emerges that might have any impact on your cash inflows or cash outflows, it's important that you revise your budgets. It's a good idea to decide in advance how often that you would revise your budget in a year. The frequency would obviously differ from a business to business. Some of you might not be sure how to start creating a budget. A good place to start from is your previous year's incomes and expenses. You could then adjust for what you believe would be the changes that would happen in the new year. Tip number 3. You do not need expensive accounting softwares. Maintaining at least a simple spreadsheet could go a long way. You'll be surprised to know that even now, many large companies still maintain their budgets on Excel. Now, there are even many budget-friendly apps available on the App Store or Play Store. Tip number 4 is to use estimates. Don't spend too much time trying to perfect your budget by narrowing down your expenses to the dot. Try to use estimates based on your past experience. From the year 2020, there are many lessons to be learned. One of them is to budget for the unexpected. It's always important to have some amount of buffer in your budget so that you have some resources in hand when things don't go according to plan. It's important that you not just create the budget but also make sure that you track the budget and see if you have stuck to it. If you haven't, then you need to analyze the areas that you went off and see if these expenses were to be controlled or was it an error in the calculation of the budget itself. If so, make the necessary corrections for the next budgets. And tip number 7 is to verify if the budget is hand in hand with the business plan. An important objective of having a budget is to make sure that there are sufficient resources in place to support the business plan. Hope these 7 tips were useful to you and helps you creating your new budget. Hey everyone, you've reached the end of this video. Thank you all for listening. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you'd like for us to talk about any specific topics, please do let us know in the comments below. Hope to see you in the next video.